Bob is a very hardworking, devoted beekeeper. Like all beekeepers, he loves his bees, and they love him. On this particular day, the day that changed his beekeeping life, Bob got up early as usual, already anxious to check on his bees. He climbed into his truck and headed off toward the rolling hills. As you can imagine, at the end of the day, Bob returned home with a minor sense of desperation and an aching back. If only I could get the beehive information without actually being there, he thought to himself. That was the moment Bob discovered Phytech. Honey Phytech is a cellular system for beehive scale monitoring. It allows beekeepers to remotely monitor honey accumulation in their beehives. The data from the hives reaches Bob's computer through the cellular and internet networks. The data collected from the system enables Bob to understand precisely what is happening in his fields and with his bees without stepping out of his house. With the information received from the system, Bob can now react instantly and accurately, making optimal decisions to maximize the efficiency and profitability of his hives. Phytech